Which part of the phospholipid molecule is hydrophilic? The phosphate group. What is the function of membrane proteins? They assist with cell communication. What type of transport requires energy to move substances across the plasma membrane? Active transport. Which of the following best describes the plasma membrane? Fluid mosaic model. What is the role of cholesterol in the plasma membrane? To provide rigidity. Which of the following molecules can freely pass through the plasma membrane? Water. What structural component is primarily responsible for the fluidity of the plasma membrane? Phospholipids. What is the primary function of the plasma membrane? To regulate what enters and leaves the cell. Which of the following processes describes the movement of substances out of the cell? Exocytosis. What is the main characteristic of a cell in isotonic solution? It remains the same. Which of the following describes the arrangement of phospholipids in the plasma membrane? Bilayer. What type of junctions aid in cell communication? Gap junctions. What is the primary role of membrane proteins? Transporting substances. Which factor does not influence the diffusion rate across the plasma membrane? Color of solution. What is the general term for the process of transporting materials into the cell? Endocytosis. What is the term osmosis especially referred to? Movement of water. Which of the following is a characteristic of carrier proteins? They change shape. What is the importance of membrane fluidity? Allows for movement of proteins. Which of the following is not a function of integral proteins? Structural support. What is the main purpose of exocytosis? To release substances.